Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of the syllabus which is factorizations, and in that class we take and solve some important concept and questions related to that topic. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about the next topic of that chapter, means we discuss about the question related to your exercise 14.2, and the topic is factorization using identities. We are going to discuss about the factorization using identities. Using factorization using identities. Okay, this is one of the most important topic of your syllabus. Look, so factorization using identities. Dear friends, now here we discuss three important algebraic identities, and then after we discuss the questions based on these topics. Let's see. Since first one is what? A plus B whole square. Dear student, this is a very important identity, which is A plus B whole square. Look, this is A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is the identity A plus B whole square. Second one is what? A minus B whole square. This is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Third one was A square minus B square. This is also a very important algebraic identity based on the chapter factorizations, which is A square minus B square means this is A plus B into A minus B. So, dear friends, these are some important algebraic identities related to that chapter. That exercise 14.2. So please, dear students, first of all, you learn all these identities. Then after learn that identity, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So because of this is a very important concept related to your chapter. Now, dear student, we take and solve some important questions based on these identities. Let's see. Now, look, we have a question, we take a question, factorize x square plus 8x plus 16. X square plus 8x plus 16. This is a very important question. Now look, first we observe that if any variable or constant common in all three terms, no any common factors in all these three terms, and we don't grouping these three terms, because of these algebraic expression contain three terms only. So now we solving that questions by using the identities, using the algebraic identities, which we discuss right now. Look, its solution. So since we know that a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is your algebraic identities. Just to discuss about that, means a square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Since we have x square plus 8x plus 16, so now first of all look, we can write x square in this way, x square plus, and now we can write 16 as 4 square, and now this is a, this is b. Now we split the 8x in the terms of 2 into a means x, b means y. Now look, we can write this given algebraic expression in this way, means x square plus, we factorize them 2 into x into 4 and plus 16 we write as 4 square. Okay, now look, so we can write, so this is the form of, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write a plus b whole square, a means x plus b means 4 whole square. This is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way, dear student, you can factorize all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on identity. Now we take and solve some other important questions of your NCERT exercise. And question is factorize. First part is what? This is 4x square minus 25, and second part is what? 36 minus 49 x square y square. This is the questions based on the identity. Okay. Now look, it's solution one by one. So first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question. Okay, so we have 4x square minus 25. 4x square minus 25. So since we know that since we know that x square minus y square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square we can write as a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now we can write 4x square minus 25 in this way. Now 4x square minus 25, we can write 4x square. We can write 2x square. Okay. We can write 2x square minus, we can write 25 as 5 square. We can write 25 as 5 square. Now, dear students, this is the question based on the identity a square minus b square. The value of a is what? 2x, and the value of b is what? 5. So we can write a plus b into a minus b, means a plus b into a minus b, means 2x minus 5. A plus b into a minus b. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. Now we take the second part of this question. We have 36 minus 49 x square y square. 36 minus 49 x square y square. Now, since we know that 36 we can have x square minus this 7 xy square. So this is the form of, we know that first of all we write the identity. So we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 36 minus 49 x square y square. We can write 36 as 6 square minus 59, which is 7 xy square. This is the form of a square minus b square. We can write in this way. Now, this is the form of a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. So we can write as a plus b into a minus b. This is the value of a and this is the value of b. In this way we can write a plus b into a minus b. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions of your syllabus. Look. Now factorize the following. Factorize factorize the following. And first part of this question is what? Four x square minus 8x plus 4. Second part of this question we write as 9 x square minus y square minus 16. Okay. Third part of this question is what? A to the power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. And we take one more part of this question, which is L plus m whole square minus L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. Okay. So dear friends, these are the very important questions. Now let's get solution one by one. So first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question, which is 4x square minus 8x plus 4. So we can arrange it on the identity. Now look. So for that, first of all we write 4x square as 2x square. Okay. Now now plus we write 2 square as it is. 4 we write 2 square and 2ab means 2 into 2x into 2. Now we split 8x in the form of 2 into 2x into 2, because 2 to the 4 to the 8x. Okay, so we get it. So we can arrange this expression in this way. Now you know that this is the form of the identity: a square minus 2ab plus b square, and which is equal to a minus b whole square. So now here a is what? 2x, so this is 2x minus b is what 2, so 2x minus 2 whole square. This is the required solution of the first part of the question. So in this way you can solve each and every question. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. So second part is what we have 9x square minus y square minus 16. So here we using the identity what a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. So dear students, here we can write as 3xy whole square minus 4 square. Here because of the square of this is what 9x square y square, and we can write 16 as what 4 square, no? So now this is the form a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b means a plus b into a minus b. So this is the required solution of the given question. Similarly, dear student, we take and solve the third part of this question. Let's see. Which is a power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b power 4. Look, dear friend, we can write this question in this way. This is, we can write a square whole square plus we can write b power 4 as b square whole square. Now we can write as 2 write as it is, a square write as it is into b square write as it is. Now look at this expression. So this is the form of a square plus b square plus 2a into b. So we can write a plus b whole square. So from that concept we can write a plus b, because of here the value of a is what a square and the value of b is what b square. So we can write a square plus b square whole square. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve each and every question of the NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve the last part of this question. Let's see. Last part of this question, fourth part, is what L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. So here this is the form of the identity a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So now here the value of a is what L plus m and the value of b is what L minus m. So we can write a square minus a plus b in one bracket means a plus b in one bracket into a minus b. A means L plus m minus b means what minus L minus m. Now we simplify them. Here this is m and cancel to each other, so we get 2l into here we break the bracket, so minus L plus m. So here L cancel to each other, so we get as 2l into m plus n, that is 2m. So we get 2 to the 4m into l. So this is the required solution of the given question. So therefore in this way we clear all the question, we discussed and solve all the important questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic factorization by using the identity. Okay, so all these are the very important questions. Please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Thus, dear friends, now in next class we take and discuss some other important questions related to the chapter factorizations. Okay, so please you revise all the questions and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, now thanks to all.